Open HEIC Pictures using Linux is a 1080p video showing how easy it is to open a HEIC image using Image Viewer, which comes standard with Linux Mint. Once open, you can rename the picture and save it as a JPEG or other file format. Since the iPhone 11, picture files by default are saved in a high-quality compressed file format called HEIC. I made this video to show how I was able to view the pictures as a JPEG and to do further editing. This is just one way to install Image Viewer. Press on Menu, then in the search bar type Image Viewer. Right-click on the icon and left-click to add a shortcut to the panel. This is another way for you to install Image Viewer. Click on Menu and click on Administration and Software Manager. Up in the search bar, type Image Viewer and press Enter. G-Thumb had the icon I wanted and a good 4.3 rating, so I pressed on it. Press on Install if required. I had already installed the program. I clicked on the shortcut down on the panel. Then on File and Open. Then on Desktop and HEIC Pictures. I clicked on the bottom picture. I clicked on File and Save As. Give the picture a meaningful name with .jpg at the end. Then press Save. Then on File and Open. I clicked on the middle picture and Open. File and Save As. Give the picture a meaningful name with .jpg at the end. Then press Save. Image Viewer is only a basic image editor, so if you need more editing functions, I suggest that you use Pinter or GIMP, which are both very good. If you found this video helpful, there are many more in this Linux YouTube channel. In the description below is a link to all my Linux Mint 1080 tutorials. If you like this video, forward the link to your Linux friends. Subscribe to be advised when I upload another Linux video to YouTube.